Today again I am going to teach you English language. That is lesson number 9, the use of we too. English language, lesson number 9, the use of we too. You open the book English Grammar. The use of we too. Lesson 9. English language, lesson number 9, the use of we too. We too is used for an action that took place in the past and is finished. We too used for an action that took place in the past and is finished. For example, he came here yesterday. She got your letter last evening. They played a match on Sunday. Today we had milk for breakfast. The following words are often used with we too, like ago, yesterday, last year, last week, last night, last month. The we too form of a verb often ends in ed. For example, live, lived, rain, rained, play, played, dance, danced, clean, cleaned, finish, finished. But some we too forms don't end in ed. Do becomes did, eat, ate, fall, fell, see, saw, take, took, have, had. Given is, give the we too form of the following words: go, went, sit, sat, fly, flew, get, got, tell, told, put, say, said, buy, bought, sell, sold, win, won, pay, paid, find, found, lose, lost, give, gave, ring, rang, shut, shut, read, read. We can say the word read also and read also. Hear, heard, meet, met, write, wrote, think, thought, make, made, build, built, bring, brought. Know, knew, leave, left, come, came, drink, drank, begin, began, teach, taught, sleep, slept, catch, caught, stand, stood, break, broke, speak, spoke, forget, forgot. Rewrite each sentence using the we too form of the underlined words. It begins to rain. Last night it began to rain. Manu learns new words. Yesterday Manu learned new words. They go to the market. Last Sunday they went to the market. Sleep on the roof. Last night they slept on the roof. He eats an apple after dinner. Last night he ate an apple after dinner. They play football in the park. Yesterday they played football in the park. Raman writes short stories. Last year Raman wrote short stories. Ritika lives with her brother. Before her marriage, Ritika lived with her brother. Rewrite each sentence using the V2 form of the verb. She finishes her homework. She finished her homework. Simran has a big car. Simran had a big car. The hounds killed the stag. The hounds killed the stag. The peon rings the bell. The peon rang the bell. Parul goes to school daily. Parul went to school daily. Mother cooks food for us. Mother cooked food for us. Miss Neha teaches us English. Miss Neha taught us English. Dev lives with his mother. Dev lived with his mother. Tiku throws stones at birds. Tiku threw stones at birds.